Jeremy, if I'm a homeowner and I want to replace my windows and I have a brick home, tell me the key important things I should know as a homeowner before I hire somebody to install windows.
You want to make sure you hire a company that knows how to remove it without damaging your brick. Some people want to take the brick out all the way around. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to take the window out without cracking mortar, cracking a brick. You just don't want any damage.
Okay, so somebody who has experience
Yes.
and has the skill and the knowledge should do it correctly. Once the window's out, what's the second concern I should be aware of?
The flashing system, the drainage plane. For example, this is nothing. This is what it's going to look like when they take your window out. You do not want to install a window just on top of raw wood. You want to have some kind of flashing system like ours that gets any leak back to the original drainage plane to protect your home.
Okay, if they don't do that, there's a chance that this wood and my sheetrock is now soaking up any mistakes they made and I wouldn't know it.
And the insulation in the wall.
Yeah, that's not good. I don't like mold in my house. What's the third thing? Now, if they had a properly installed, properly removed, properly installed window, what else would be a great pointer for a person replacing windows in a brick home?
Other than installing the window properly, I would say how you seal it. I would use the low expansion foam to inject in there, and then a good quality premium sealant that will seal everything out from the weather.
Okay. A lot of times people cut corners to save a little money buying that $1.99 caulking, but what you're saying is the window's going to expand and contract.
Right.
The brick's going to expand and contract at a different rate. There's going to be separation. If I don't get something that has a high level of elasticity, a high content of solids in it, it's going to eventually fail, and now I'm going to be back to a leaking window, correct?
Correct.
Thanks for your help with these three
Yep.
tips.